Okay, let's break down one of tech's biggest buzzwords, the cloud. You hear it all the time, right? But what does the cloud actually mean? So to really get it, we've got to take a quick trip back in time. Think giant computers and server closets stuffed to the brim. Everyone was on their own.
The main problem was owning all that hardware. Companies had to buy and manage everything themselves.
That meant a massive upfront cost, a capital expense, before you even got started. And it wasn't just pricey, it was super inefficient. Servers sat idle, wasting power and cash. Then someone had a wild idea, sparked by a vision from way back in the 60s.
What if computing could be a utility? Like electricity or water. You just pay for what you use.
And boom, that basic idea became the cloud. Here's the official definition from NIST.
So what really makes something a cloud service? Well, there are 5 key things to look for. On-demand access, resource pooling, elasticity. These 5 traits are the absolute core of the cloud. Cloud services are kind of like a stack, delivered in 3 main layers that build on each other. From raw infrastructure, IaaS, to ready-to-go software, SaaS, you just pick your level of control. And then you got to decide where to deploy these services. There are a few different ways. You can go public for massive scale, or you can go private for total control and security. But honestly, most businesses today use a hybrid model, mixing the best of both worlds.
Okay, so how does all this actually affect you and me every day?
Let's talk Netflix. Back in 2016, they moved their whole operation onto the cloud. This lets them handle huge viewer spikes, when a new show drops. That's instant scaling. And it's not just streaming. The cloud powers e-commerce, healthcare, remote work, pretty much everything. But the cloud isn't standing still. It's always evolving. So what's coming up next? We're seeing things like serverless and edge computing pushing processing power out to new frontiers. So as computing just becomes a utility, the real question is, what will we create next?